Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today 31st October 2023, let us see the performance of MST iCore 2.0 shortly. So already I have posted in live market video yesterday. So today let us see the yesterday's performance. So what we have to do before we start trading? First thing, how to create one trading account, free account. Next one, go to our YouTube channel and type MST School of Trading and subscribe, like and share our channel's video. And third point, you have to subscribe to our indicator by choosing any available plans. And the fourth one, after subscribing to our indicator, go to your trading view account, log in using your username and password and come to this indicator part, then click on it. Then straight away come to invite only more portion, then our indicator will be there, then just give a click on it. That's all, nothing else you have to do. So now, whichever stock you want to trade, that stock you have to add to the watch list. Okay. So now I am doing bar replay button. This is for crude oil. I will show for bank nifty also, don't worry. So now market has opened. So once market has opened, immediately our buy entry and sell entry got formed. Buy entry and sell entry got formed. If market has come down here 6978, then I will be buying at 6978. If market is coming here first, I will be selling at 7063. Okay. So now if you notice this point, the low made was 7012, but our entry was 6978. Okay. So the entry point was missed. So we cannot take the entry. Sorry, the low made was 6982. 82 means 4 points different. So if you are taking with the 4 point difference, because this one is the bullish engulfing pattern and we have got rejection candle as well as the confirmation candle, that 4 point difference point you can keep it in targets and you can book the profit. Suppose you are not watching that market, you simply put the pending order. If the market is coming here, you have to take sell order. If the market is coming here, you have to take the buy order. If you sell here, you have to go for the reversal entry. Suppose you have fixed that in your mind, no problem. Okay, here sell activated. So since sell activated, what is the high made? Let us see, 7067 and our entry was 7063. So the 4 point we missed here, that 4 point has gone extra from our sell entry. So go to the indicator settings and enable the first sell targets and second buy targets. Why? If a sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. So we are we are strictly following that method. Don't forget. So if you want to keep 1:1 ratio or 1:2 ratio or 1:3 ratio, that is up to you. So we will not be saying anything. You can follow. The only things every day you have to follow, and immediately after hitting the 1:1 target, keep your stop loss to cost. So in such a way you can get more profit. Your ultimate aim should be, your loss should be very small. Your profit should be very high. That's the thing. So once your 1:1 target is hit, revise your stop loss to cost. If you are capable, take first 3 lots initially and book the first target at the first lot, second target at the second lot, second lot at the second target, third lot at the third target and exit from the market. See here, perfectly 1:4 ratio, 3 targets hit. So we can add one more target also if you want to know what is the next level. Next level, I will add 2 targets. Okay, you can see perfectly 4 targets have been hit in 1:4 ratio. Clear? So this is the thing has happened with the bank nifty. And let us see what is happened in other script. I can keep on show you all the script, but time does not permit me. That's why I'm preferring to show one or 2 scripts only. So bank nifty also perfectly buy entry activated and all the targets hit. Here there is no loss. Why? If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Since there is a Bahubali candle, what you can do? Go to the indicator settings, enable the Kabaddi plan, Kabaddi calculation, so that you will get entry little later. So perfectly your entry will be at the exact point. So this is about the what it is Nifty. If you are talking about some stock, you can take State Bank of India or any stock as per your wish. Okay, no issue. So now here perfectly what you have to do, go to the indicator settings and give reset button. So perfectly, what is the low? 556.5. What is the entry point? 556.65. Only 15 paisa went down after our entry. So perfectly we got the entry here and all the targets hit. Here also sell activated, targets hit. But this sell is not activated because it is not valid, because when we are in buy trend, we should be in a buy trend. Only if we SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. And you can watch every script, okay, after subscribe to indicator, all the previous one wala will be there only, so it will not be changed. See here, sell activated, targets hit. So you can check for the maximum data available in the TradingView platform. Hope the video is very clear. It is very simplest method. You have to enable the indicator by default. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy unless SL hit. Okay, you have to wait for the entry. Don't take immediate entry at 9:15 or 9:16. Don't take the immediate entry. Wait for the market to settle down, so that it will come to our zone. Then only we will take the entry. It will come to our zone. Then only we will take the entry. Even if you are taking sell entry at 564, the low made 562, 4 point. If you are taking 1000 share, 4000 rupees profit you will get. Okay, and if you are taken here 5562. What is the high made? 566, 10 points you have got. So 1000 share in 10 point, 10,000 rupees profit you will get. Okay, so the concept is very simple. You have to follow with discipline. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.